Dprodo 3 drawers mobile file cabinet with lock, metal filing cabinet for legal and letter size, fully assembled locking file cabinet for home and office orange. Locking fully assembled file cabinet 3-drawer filing cabinet ships fully assembled even with the casters. Fits under most desks for your home and office. One lock secures all 3 drawers, keeps your business private, comes with 2 keys in case your pockets have holes in them. 3 drawers file cabinet, equipped with 3 utility drawers, 2 standard drawers with interior compartments perfect for notebook, iPad, pens, magazines and other office supplies. 1 deep drawer for hanging files, folders with adjustable hanging bar, legal size, A4 letter size, to store important documents. Mobile filing cabinet, rolling file cabinet designed with 5 wheels, 2 lockable casters, 2 non-locking casters and 1 anti-tipping caster. Smoothly movement to anywhere without Tipping.Anti-tilt mechanism. Allows only 1 drawer to open at the same time to prevent the cabinet from tipping forward. Sturdy and durable steel cabinet, heavy-duty design, overall dimension 15.7 watts x 19.7 dx 24.4H powder-coated steel construction with steel interior and lockable design keep the safety of your belongings and privacy at any time. Round corner are better to prevent damages. A great file cabinet for home and office, fully assembled, 360 degrees swivel caster wheel, 3 drawers, adjustable hanging bar, etc. It will take 2 to 7 days to arrive. Please feel free to contact us if there is missing or any damaged part during the process of shipping. We will come to you ASAP. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.